Hello everyone, welcome to TP Chennai. Happy morning all. Today's vocabulary: inveigle, inveigle, doleful, doleful. Inveigle, persuade someone to do something by means of deception or flattery. Synonyms: attract, lure, entice, tempt, alluring, provocate, betraying. All these words can be related to synonyms. Antonyms: repulsive, repellent, disenchant, alerting, cautioning, warning. All these words can be related to antonyms. Example: she inveigled him to write a letter. Doleful, mournful or very sad. Synonyms: woeful, sorrowful, gloomy, full of grief, pitiful, dejected, heartbroken, wailing. All these words can be related to synonyms. Antonyms: elated, cheerful, gleeful, happy, joyful, glad. All these words can be related to antonyms. Example: Reema had a doleful look on her face. Carping, carping. Candor, candour. Carping, find fault or to complain all the time about trivial matters. Synonyms: complaining, bellyaching, captious, hypercritical, judgmental, nagging, criticizing, cavil, quibble. All these words can be related to synonyms. Antonyms: complimentary, forgiving, charitable, accept, applaud, cheer, delight. All these words can be related to antonyms. Example: as a carping wife, Gauri was never happy with her husband. Candor, frankness or the quality of being honest. Synonyms: directness, uprightness, open, plain, outspoken, straightforward, glasnost, candid, open-hearted. All these words can be related to synonyms. Antonyms: dishonesty, unfairness, deceit, falsehood, guile, artifice. All these words can be related to antonyms. Example: she spoke with remarkable candor about her experience. Clout, clout. Flaccid, flaccid. Clout, to hit someone or something hard, or power or influence over people or events. Synonyms: power, dominance, bank, credit, hammer, pound, prestige, weight. All these words can be related to synonyms. Antonyms: powerlessness, incompetence, weakness, helplessness. All these words can be related to antonyms. Example: ministers often use their clout to get what they want. Another example can be given: he clouted him on the back of his head. Flaccid, soft or weak rather than firm, or nerveless. Synonyms: enfeebled, debilitated, droopy, floppy, lacking force, emasculated. All these words can be related to synonyms. Antonyms: taut, firm, tense, resilient, rigid, sturdy, stiff. All these words can be related to antonyms. Example: the doctor informed Rita that her left hand was light and flaccid when compared to her right hand. That's the end of today's session. Thank you very much for joining. We will meet tomorrow. Have a great day.